Episode 102. In today's brief it will begin. A message to all astrophysicists. I will speak in layman's terms, so every astrophysicist inside planet Earth will comprehend. The planet you currently reside in has enough information embedded into the actual design. You would need a thumb drive as large as the moon to store all the data. Me and my team can actually give you this information on account we have invested. Well, let me put it to you another way. Let's say there are 8,765.81277 hours in 1 year. If you multiply that by 40, then subtract 40% from that total. This will give you a basic understanding on how many hours was spent on conducting a full forensic investigation on the actual design of planet Earth. Well, what is astonishing about this is we actually figured out the design of planet Earth. This was your job. You and your partners. I will presume your partners to be the science community and NASA. We will continue to send copies of all our materials we have collected over many decades to you. We know you know absolutely nothing about the true design of Earth. We have been monitoring your progress over the years, and you have let the people who put you in charge down. So, let's begin your first lesson about your planet. First, look at your planet. I mean, really look at it. You see a lot of colors. I do not have enough paper to explain and write down what it took to figure out the design of Earth. So, let's take a shortcut. Now put yourself in a very large chair. This is hypothetical. Now position yourself around 10,000 feet above Earth. Now that you have a great view of the planet, you and all your partners have spent your entire life in the pursuit to understand. Now, hypothetically speaking, let's suppose you could wave your left hand at the planet and remove every color inside and outside of the planet. The results would be you would have a planet that is still information, but it will be very complex to understand. Now, let's suppose everything inside and outside planet Earth is all data. A type of information you cannot comprehend at this time in history. Now remember you removed all the colors and I believe the colors are in your left hand. We still are speaking hypothetically. Now throw all the colors back to Earth in its original form. What I will say now is not hypothetical. All the colors you threw into the planet has attached itself to all the data that is embedded into planet Earth. My point is what everybody has been searching for thousands of years, is in fact embedded into everything. The entire design of your planet is data. The color attach themselves to information. This type of information has no beginning, no end. It is continuous around the planet. It is all-dimensional knowledge. If you cannot comprehend what I am saying, you might be spending the rest of your life walking in circles. If you are smart, you will listen. We have been sending a lot of our results to the Archbishop of New Orleans, the Most Gregory Amond. Well, at least the Catholic Church is informed. We have received a thank you letter from the Archbishop. Now I am going to speak above your comprehension. Your planet is a technology that the smartest people born inside your planet past and present cannot comprehend. Since you are born inside a technology, you are going to need the most advanced dimensional image technology at your disposal. You see, the information you are in search of grows and manifests on everything in the natural design. Use your common sense. Apply Occam's razor. Your trees store data. This is why wood can grow out of mud, then soft tissue can grow out of a stick for 100 years. Every year, somewhere along the line, all of you have lost your common sense. Last, I will say, planet Earth uses a type of math that involves colors. When the leaves fall to the floor of the planet, it will attach itself to existing information. The floor of your planet is like a dimensional blueprint, but this data is on angles. What is preventing you from figuring out the design of planet Earth is your worst enemy, and that will be your own mind.